if both teams are ready, we will begin the next half. Okay. Toss up math, short answer. What is the limit as n approaches infinity of the integral from negative n to 0 of 2 to the x power dx? Anoop.
1.
That is incorrect. Jeffrey.
Log base 2 of e.
That is. Wait, is that acceptable? Wait, log base 2 of e? No, that's incorrect. Yeah, that's 1. Wait, no, that's not 1.
Wait, is your answer 1 over ln2?
That is correct. That is correct.
It's equivalent, right? Okay.
Those should be equivalent, I think. Wait, oh wait, they aren't. Wait, are they?
It said log base 2 of e.
ln of e. Wait, because it's ln e over ln2, right? So
It's definitely equivalent.
That is
Yeah, I'm
log
pretty sure
base
it's
2 of e.
Although there might be a DOE convention for this, but we'll just accept it. It's 1 over ln2 is the answer.
Wait,
Okay.
I've never seen anything.
We're going to read you guys the bonus in math short answer. What is the magnitude of the gradient of the scalar field x minus y sine z at the point 6, 3, pi?
Right.
Take the derivative
You just take the
1,
partials, yeah.
negative 1
1.
cosine z.
No, it's negative sine z.
2. What's
and
cosine pi?
negative y
It's like-
cosine z.
I got root 3.
1. What's sine of pi? Oh, just go with root 3.
Root 3
Root 3 final.
That is incorrect. The correct answer is root 10.
What?
The next question is a toss-up in Earth and space multiple choice. The rarity of E8 or E9 elliptical galaxies, as well as the limited elongation of dark matter halos, is due to the presence of what instability? W. Kelvin-Helmholtz instability. X. Firehose instability. Y. Jean's instability. Z. Rayleigh-Taylor instability. Writings.
For you.
That is incorrect. Alan?
Why?
That is also incorrect. The correct answer is X, firehose instability. Toss-up biology short answer. What specialized cyanobacterial cells have evolved to survive for years through unfavorable conditions? Judson.
Endospores.
That is incorrect.
Time.
The correct answer is aconites. The next question is a toss-up in chemistry short answer. Toluene is reacted with a mixture of nitric acid and sulfuric acid at a temperature of 30 degrees Celsius. The product is then added to metallic tin in dilute hydrochloric acid. Identify all the following 3 statements that are true regarding this series of reactions. 1. An amine is formed. 2. The product is less activated towards electrophilic aromatic substitution than toluene. 3. The substituent is meta to the methyl group. Writings.
1 and 2.
That is incorrect. Judson.
2 only.
That is also incorrect. The correct answer was 1 only.
Test.
All right. What's your challenge?
Nitro group will make it less activated.
It's reduced to amine.
Damn it. Yeah, my bad.
All right. Challenge denied. Wow, that was a really cool bonus too. I'm sad you won't get it. Organometallics. Toss-up physics short answer. Actually, we're switching the order for these, right? So toss-up physics multiple choice. Which of the following pairs of polarizers would block all incoming light? W. 2 polarizers with transmission axes tilted at 75 and 120 degrees from the vertical. X. 2 polarizers with transmission axes tilted at 60 and 120 degrees from the vertical. Y. Interrupt, Anoop.
X.
That is incorrect. I will reread the question to the other team. Toss-up in physics multiple choice. Which of the following pairs of polarizers would block all incoming light? W. 2 polarizers with transmission axes tilted at 75 and 120 degrees from the vertical. X. 2 polarizers with transmission axes tilted at 60 and 120 degrees from the vertical. Y. 2 polarizers with transmission axes tilted at 45 and 120 degrees from the vertical, or Z, 2 polarizers with transmission axes tilted at 30 and 120 degrees from the vertical. Jeffrey
Z.
is correct. Bonus physics short answer. Identify all of the following 3 statements that are true regarding MOSFETs. 1. A positive applied voltage at the gate repels electron holes and creates a depletion layer. 2. MOSFETs can only be made with p-type semiconductors. 3. MOSFETs use more power than bipolar junction transistors.
This is my silly bet. I think 2 is wrong. 3 is probably wrong too. It wouldn't make it none, right? Let's go 1.
One only.
That is
Final?
correct.
Yeah, also 1 sounds right. Yeah.
Right.
Toss up energy multiple choice. Are we good? Or did
I
someone
don't think she said final, but that's fine.
She sort of did after while I was recognizing.
I must have not heard of that.
I took it as like a final answers.
Okay, sorry about that.
No problem. Toss up energy multiple choice. DOE researchers at the Joint Genome Institute have been using shrub willows to produce biofuels. Genomic studies into shrub willows have shown that females are heterogametic. Which of the following accurately designates the sex chromosomes of shrub willows females? W, XX, X, XY, Y. Interrupt. Judson
ZW.
is correct. Bonus energy short answer. Scientists on the Dark Energy Survey at Fermilab are discovering distant, high-inclination trans-Neptunian objects with semi-major axes that are more than twice that of Pluto. Most of these high-inclination TNOs belong to what group of objects?
Wait,
Dwarf
dark
planets.
energy.
Cubanos.
Dark energy.
Comets.
You can try
Quasars.
Cubanos.
Wait,
Cubanos
what?
are just like Kuiper Belt objects. So maybe
Oh, that's kind of divergent.
All right,
Let's go
defer
with
to
that.
Alan.
Cubanos final.
That is incorrect. The correct answer is scattered disk objects. The next question is a toss-up in Earth and space multiple choice. Salt fingers are an example of double diffusive convection in the oceans. Which of the following mechanisms best describes the role of a double diffusive convection in driving salt finger formation? W. Diffusion of heat occurs slower than diffusion of salinity. X. Diffusion of heat occurs faster than diffusion of salinity. Y. Heat can be transferred via convection while salinity cannot. Z. Diffusion of heat occurs at almost the same rate as salinity, leading to amplified convective motions in surface water. Marissa,
W.
that is incorrect. Mason
X.
is correct. Your bonus is visual in Earth and space, short answer. Shown in the image is a composite of the bullet cluster, which is a collision between 2 galaxy clusters. Letter A shows the X-ray emissions from baryonic gas, while letter B points to the calculated mass distribution of dark matter. Answer the following 2 questions about the image. 1. What effect was used to calculate the mass distribution of the dark matter? 2. This was used as evidence against what anti-dark matter theory, which proposes that the gravitational force can vary inversely with the first power of radius at small accelerations?
Yeah, I don't know about 2 because that's like physics stuff. I would say like velocity dispersion method for 1. I think that's a method for mass.
And 2, say 2 is like steady state or something. That doesn't make sense.
Yeah, I don't know either. All right. 1 is velocity dispersion and 2 is steady state.
That is incorrect. 1 is gravitational lensing and 2 is modified Newtonian dynamics. Question 20 is in biology short answer. Postganglionic autonomic neurons that innervate smooth muscle store their neurotransmitters in what swollen regions? Writings
Varicosities.
is correct. Your bonus is visual in biology short answer. Pictured is the series of steps in an Edman degradation experiment. Answer the following 2 questions regarding the image. 1. What reagent is used in step 1? 2. Which terminus of the peptide is cleaved and sequenced during Edmond degradation?
Which terminus? Do they think that there's an amine formation, which would mean that it's the first one is PTC. My God, is it N terminus or C terminus? I think it's the N terminus. 1 is PTC and 2 is N terminus.
Albert, is PTC equivalent to phenyl isothiocyanate?
Yeah.
Yeah? Can we get confirmation?
Yeah, I think so.
All right, that is correct then. Toss-up 21 is in chemistry short answer. Identify all of the following 3 functional groups that may be reduced by lithium aluminum hydride. 1. Ketone. 2. Aldehyde. 3. Carboxylic interrupt writings.
All of them.
Is correct. Your
Can I
bonus.
pause this for a second?
Yeah.
The bonus for the previous one, PITC is acceptable, not PTC.
Leninger cites it as PTC.
Does it? I guess this is very easily checkable. Okay, I'll check it in Leninger's and then.
All right. In the meantime, I think we'll continue with the bonus in chemistry. It is a short answer question. Shown in the image is an organic molecule with 3 of its carbon-hydrogen bonds labeled A through C. Answer the following 3 questions regarding this image. 1. Which 2 bonds have the lowest and highest bond dissociation energies respectively? 2. What is the IUPAC systematic name of the molecule depicted in this image? 3. What would the highest wave number signal of the IR spectrum of this molecule be greater than or less than 3,000 inverse centimeters?
I think C is higher. 1 is C. C is low and A is high. C is low, A is high. 2, what was 2?
Defer writings.
2 is with the IUPAC name.
1 is C is the lowest bond dissociation, and but 1 is C is
Yeah.
lowest, A is highest. 2 is 1 pentene, and 3 is higher.
That is correct.
I'm still upholding the rejection. Leninger does not cite PITC, but it does state that it's a PTC adduct, but that's because the group changes to a phenylthiocyanate moiety. But the molecule itself is PITC.
Okay, so then I suppose we are taking away those points. Has that already been done or no? Are we good? Okay. Toss-up physics short answer. A massive object starts rotating in space, which distorts its gravitational field and induces precession on nearby particles. What is the term for this effect in general relativity? Alan.
Lens stirring
That's a
effect.
that's a stall.
Fine. That was fine.
Yeah, that was a stall.
No, I mean that was fine.
Oh wait,
He
it was
tied
fine?
you.
No,
He
that was
tied
fine.
you. It counts.
Yeah. So
I
it's
kind of okay. Then that would be correct.
yeah.
Bonus physics short answer. A giant insulating sphere has a uniform charge density of 0.02 coulombs per cubic meter and a radius of 200 meters. Point A is 100 meters from the center of the sphere, while point B is 300 meters from the center of the sphere. How many times as great is the electric field at point B when compared to the electric field at point A?
Okay. Wait, point B is like 1/9, and point A is 1/1.
Defer to Jeffrey.
But then you also have 1/8, right? It should just be 8/9, I think. 8/9 final.
That is correct. Toss up to both teams. The last question of the round is in math short answer. Let S be the set of the first 30 positive integers. How many elements of S are relatively prime to every other interrupt? Anoop.
6.
That is incorrect. Was that an interrupt as well? I think it was,
Yeah,
right?
it was.
I'll reread the question to the other team. Toss up math short answer. Let S be the set of the first 30 positive integers. How many elements of S are relatively prime to every other element of S? Jeffrey.
8.
That is also incorrect. The correct answer is 5. And that's the round.
Final score.
Congrats to the Huskies.